Hi friends, good afternoon, a warm welcome. And this is Uday from final year. And we are going for a tech fest which is held in Mumbai IIT. So, a small question, a silly question. Actually, what is the age of a Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi? Can anybody answer? Approximate answer, no problem. Please, one answer, please. Okay, really 70. What is the age of Thomas Alva Edison? Approximate answer, no problem. It's not exact. 65. Okay, louder please. 65. 55. 70. Okay, no problem. So, how can we extend the life or age after our death? Can anyone? It is only through organ donation. Organ donation is giving life to others after in our absence also. Mainly these organ donations is we have to create an awareness throughout in our family too. Especially if we know how to donate an organ or what is the use of organ donation, so we can extend our lives. So we can increase our age after our death also. In the same way, we no need to take any to or participate in any events so that we can extend. Like Mahatma Gandhi has participated in a freedom fight. So there is no need to be a part with freedom fight. So we are all enjoying this freedom. And likewise Thomas Alva Edison, he has invented bulb and many other things. So we no need to be a scientist to live long. So just we can donate our organs after our death. The main motto of this presentation is to create an awareness among yourselves and me too in organ donation. By being an organ donor, you can help save lives and make a difference. So what is the difference between organs? How can we donate an organ? So actually after death, what is the what we are doing with our body? We are taking the soul to heaven. So I need organs to be taken to heaven. Actually these organs are given by God. So no need to again submit those organs to God. We can give the participant or a living being who are in the need of them. So in the same way, you can help save, even make a difference. For organ donor recipient, a transplant often means a second chance at life. Actually, what God has given is our first chance, and we can be a God by giving our organs to them who are needed. It allows many recipients to return to a normal lifestyle for others, and IR tissue transplantation means the ability to see the again and recovery of mobility and freedom from pain. So many are feeling pain. In case of heart failures or heart disease, they are feeling much pain. They are seeing around us. They are living around us. They are feeling pain. What we are not feeling. So we can after that we can donate our heart, our eye tissues, our bone marrows, and we can create and we can free them from pain. What organs can be donated? Mainly this motto is not only organ donation. Organ donation, everybody knows the organ donation. It means we can donate organs. But what can be donated? What are the main organs can be transplanted from one body to another body? These are the main concepts, main organs: eye, cornea, heart, and heart valves, lungs, liver, kidney, intestine, pancreas, veins, skin, bone, tendons. These are the only parts which can be transferred from one body to another body. Actually, we are thinking that we can donate any organ, but these are only the organs which can be donated. Living organ donor. Actually, this donation can only be, so many will think this donation can only be done after our death, but it is also be done while we are living too. Actually, in some cases, when a heart failure, we cannot donate only our heart because it is only exists one for us. In some cases, any lung diseases or pancreas diseases or liver diseases or failure of kidneys, we can donate them. Actually, see this, because the number of organs donated by the degrees, actually the death rate and the birth rate are not equal. Actually, the birth rate is a very rapid change, where there is a rapid difference between the death rate and birth rate. So, for every two members to raise, only one donor is there at present. So, actually, what is required is not there at present. There are so many patients awaiting for their organs to be donated, but there are no donors at present. So this is one of the way to donate the organs at living price. So this is a living donor, living organ donation. Actually, as I told, heart cannot be transplanted at our as our life. So this whereas we come to kidneys, we have two kidneys, so we can donate one, and we can also live with the same person, with enjoying with him, and see him smile. So when come to a kidney or portion of a liver, lobe of a lungs can be donated. Lungs also can be donated. Who can be an organ donor? People of all ages, themselves potential to donor. Actually, there is no age limit for the donation. We have to be potentials for that, and we have to be mentally prepared for the donations. When an individual dies, they are evolved from donor suitability, giving the correct and past medical histories as well as their age. The organs, actually, when we die, we will not be here to donate our organs. There must be a friend or a family member who can assist a person who is needed with organ. So our body can be taken to the hospital, and with this, not only body, we have to be submitted our past medical histories, and if we are having any some diseases, these organs cannot be transplanted, so that this disease will be carried out for this person also too. How to become an organ donor? Everyone wants to be organ donor, but so many don't know how to be a donor, how to register. So these are the we have a website from the government, donorlifeindia.org. This is the organization which is run by the government itself from our India. Here we can register our name. We can register ourselves as a donor, and they will give you a donor card, like our license card. It can be kept in our pocket. If at any circumstances, if we are caught by an accident, suddenly we got a brain hemorrhage, and all of our parts are working, so we can be a donor. So how can we? If at that time nobody will be with us. So as we can taken to the hospital, as we carry a donor card. So accordingly, they will get all our data, and the organs can be donated. To remember. So please, anybody can read this poem for me.
To remember me, I live forever. By Robert Noel. The day will come when my body will lie upon a white sheet, neatly tucked under four corners of mattress located in a hospital, busily occupied with the living and the dying. At a certain moment, a doctor will determine that my brain has ceased to function, and that for all intents and purpose, my life has stopped. When that happens, do not attempt to instill artificial life into my body by the use of a machine, and don't call this my death. Let it be called by the word of life, and let my body be taken from it to help others live full lives. Give my sight to the man who has never seen a sunrise, a baby's face, or love in the eyes of a woman. Give my heart to person whose own hearts has caused nothing but endless days of pain. Give my blood to the teenager who was pulled from the wreckage of his car so that he might live to see his grandchildren play. Give my kidneys to the one who depends on a machine to exit from week to week. Take my bones, every muscle, every fiber, and nerve in my body, and find a way. Take my cells.
Take my cells. It's necessary. Let them go out. Shall you continue?
Yeah. So that someday a speechless boy will shoot at the crack of a bat, and deaf girl will hear the sound of rain against her window. Burn what is left of me and scatter the ashes to the winds to help the flowers of glow. If you must worry something, let it be my faults, my weakness, and all my prejudice against my fellow man. Give my sins to the devil, give my soul to God. If by chance you wish to remember me, do it with a kind dear or word to someone who needs you. If you do all the I have asked with them, I live forever.
So by donating your organs, you will not only live up to your age, but you can extend your age and live for long. Actually, finally, this is a share your life, share your decision, sign a donor card. Thank you.